Hello and welcome to our financial education channel, Money Mentorship. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into the world of investment instruments. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, understanding the various investment options available to you is essential for building a well-diversified portfolio. From traditional to alternative investments, we'll cover a wide range of instruments that cater to different risk appetites and financial goals. So, let's begin our journey to discover the investment instruments that can help you achieve financial success. The landscape of investment instruments. Investment instruments are vehicles that allow you to invest your money in different assets to achieve specific financial objectives. They come in various forms, each with its unique characteristics, risk profiles, and potential returns. Traditional investment instruments. Let's explore some of the most common traditional investment instruments. Stocks, ownership shares in a company, providing the potential for capital appreciation and dividends. Bonds, debt securities issued by governments or corporations, offering fixed interest payments over a set period. Mutual funds, pools of money from multiple investors invested in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other assets. Exchange-traded funds, ETFs, similar to mutual funds but traded on stock exchanges like individual stocks. Certificates of deposit, CDs, time deposits offered by banks, providing a fixed interest rate over a specific period. Savings accounts, accounts with banks that offer low-risk returns on deposited funds. Alternative investment instruments. Alternative investments can provide diversification beyond traditional options. Let's explore some of these. Real estate, investing in properties or real estate funds for potential rental income and property value appreciation. Commodities, investing in physical goods like gold, oil, or agricultural products to hedge against inflation. Private equity, investing in private companies or startups with growth potential. Hedge funds, pooled funds managed by professional investors, often with more complex strategies. Venture capital, investing in early-stage startups in exchange for equity ownership. Art, collectibles, and precious metals, investing in valuable items that can appreciate over time. Risk and return profiles. Each investment instrument comes with its own risk and return profile. High-risk investments often offer higher potential returns, but also higher volatility. Investment objectives and time horizon. Choosing the right investment instrument depends on your investment objectives and time horizon. Short-term goals might favor low-risk instruments, while long-term goals can accommodate higher risk for potentially higher returns. Liquidity. Liquidity refers to how quickly an investment can be converted into cash. Some instruments, like stocks, are highly liquid, while others, like real estate, can be less liquid. Tax considerations. Different investment instruments have varying tax implications. Some may be tax efficient, while others may have taxable income or capital gains. Portfolio diversification. Building a diversified portfolio involves spreading investments across different instruments to reduce risk. This helps mitigate the impact of poor performance in any one area. Investment instruments and economic conditions. The performance of investment instruments can be influenced by economic conditions, interest rates, inflation, and global events. Understanding these dynamics is crucial. Investment instruments for different life stages. Your life stage can impact the choice of investment instruments. Younger investors might have a higher risk tolerance, while those approaching retirement might opt for more conservative options. Seeking professional advice. Choosing the right investment instruments can be complex. Consulting with financial advisors or experts can help tailor your choices to your individual circumstances. Congratulations! You've now gained a comprehensive understanding of various investment instruments. Remember, the key to successful investing is aligning your choices with your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Thank you for joining us today to explore investment instruments. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable financial insights. Equip yourself with knowledge to make informed investment decisions and work towards financial prosperity. Stay tuned for our next video.